Boeing's long-awaited 777X program has just hit another delay. Lufthansa, the launch customer for the Boeing 777-9, now says it expects its first aircraft delivery in early 2027. For an aircraft program that was originally expected to enter service years ago, this raises a bigger question. What exactly is happening with the Boeing 777X? Lufthansa recently confirmed that the timeline for its first Boeing 777-9 delivery has moved once again. The airline now expects the aircraft to arrive in 2027. This aircraft is intended to be the next-generation replacement for older wide-body jets, combining the size of the 777 with technology derived from the Boeing 787. However, the program has faced multiple certification delays, testing issues, and increased regulatory scrutiny over the past several years. The Boeing 777X is one of the most important aircraft programs currently in development. It is designed to become the world's largest twin-engine passenger aircraft. The 777-9 variant can carry roughly 400 passengers depending on configuration. One of its most distinctive features is a new composite wing with folding wingtips. This design allows the aircraft to maintain compatibility with existing airport gates while still benefiting from a much larger wingspan during flight. The aircraft is also expected to offer improved fuel efficiency compared with the older 777-300ER, while maintaining similar passenger capacity. But the biggest challenge for the program has been certification. After the Boeing 737 MAX crisis, regulators around the world significantly tightened oversight of new aircraft development. The Federal Aviation Administration in the United States adopted a much more cautious and detailed certification process. As a result, Boeing has had to conduct additional testing and validation before the aircraft can be approved for commercial service. All of these factors have pushed the program timeline further into the future. For airlines like Lufthansa, these delays create real planning challenges. Fleet planning is typically done many years in advance. Airlines order aircraft to replace aging fleets, improve efficiency, and support long-term route expansion. When a major aircraft program is delayed, airlines must decide whether to extend the life of existing aircraft or adjust their fleet strategies. In some cases, airlines may even consider alternative aircraft options to fill the gap. The ongoing delays also highlight the broader challenges Boeing has faced in recent years. Between the 737 MAX crisis, supply chain disruptions, and increased regulatory scrutiny, the company has been under significant pressure. The 777X program was originally expected to enter service around 2020. Now the first deliveries appear more likely to happen closer to 2027. For a flagship aircraft program, that represents a major shift in expectations. For now, the Boeing 777X remains one of the most anticipated aircraft in the aviation industry. But with certification still pending and delivery timelines continuing to move, airlines and industry observers will be watching closely. The key question now is whether Boeing can bring the aircraft into service without further delays. And when it finally enters operation, the 777X could play a major role in shaping the future of long-haul travel. If you're interested in aviation industry insights and airline strategy, consider subscribing to AirOps Control. Thanks for watching.